Today, we are going to draw George's favorite toy from Peppa Pig. It's Dinosaur. Step 1. Let's draw a long curve, just like a slide at the park. Now, draw a zigzag line for the mouse. Draw another big curve from the mouse to the tail. Draw 2 circles with little black dots inside. Draw tiny triangles for teeth. Then, draw pointy triangles on his back. Last step, draw the legs with 3 little toes on each one. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more drawings.